audio compression and Premiere Pro. You choose this function right here. You then will hold shift because you want to select the whole row, just like this. And then you come back in here, you right click, do audio gain, and you do -1, -2, -1, like that. There you go, okay. Then you come over to your audio track mixer, which might be hidden in your windows. And you might have to hit a button here to show these gray things, which you need. And for the first thing you want to add these things in this order, or at least hard limiter, you'd want to have it on the last slot number 5, if you have anything before it. If you have your hard limiter first, it will essentially counteract your hard limiter and things will go over whatever you have set for your hard limiter. So therefore, you want to put your hard limiter at the end of whatever FX you're using. But for me, you start with the multiband compressor, which is here. And in the same spot, here is the de-esser, and in the same spot, here is the hard limiter. So now for the settings for the multiband compressor, these are the settings for the multiband compressor. These are the settings for the de-esser, and these are the settings for the hard limiter. Again, it's very important that the hard limiter is left as the number, the last, one of the last slots. If you have anything before it, the hard limiter will, so the hard limiter prevents your audio from peaking above your maximum amplitude, right? I have set to -1 dB. If you have it before, it can go over -1 dB because you're no longer hard limiting something if you're audio editing, boosting it past the -1 over the hard limiter. So that's about it. That's all I can say.